Hi, in this video we are going to talk about using mysql cmd prompt, some people call it shell, in the xampp environment. This is a list of suggestions how you should use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this URL. It is case sensitive and it is already loaded here. If you scroll down to EG008, example 8, you will find most of the notes regarding this video. The first notes can be found here. If you click on it, you'll find some MySQL commands. Okay, of course, to run MySQL database, you need to start the MySQL database first. So let's launch xampp. You do not really need Apache for this, but later we are going to link PHP pages to a MySQL database, so let's just start Apache. The main thing we need is actually MySQL here, so let's start that. Okay. Once we start MySQL, we have the MySQL database engine running at the background. We can do certain things. Okay. So the first thing we want to do is log in as a super user called root. To do that, we need to launch the shell, okay, or the command prompt. So if we click on that, we launch shell. After we launch the shell, we are in cmd prompt. You may want to make this bigger because this is impossible to read. So you can right click here on the border, left click on properties, change the font to say 28. Okay, alright, that looks pretty good. If you do not want a window to be so big, you can change it to say let's decrease the layout a little bit. Let's say 100. Okay, that looks better. Okay, so once we are here, we can log in as root. Okay, log into MySQL database as root. So we type mysql -u root -p. -u means user. User is root. -p means I want a password. I want to enter a password. Hit on that, and the password is nothing. Yes, the super user password for MySQL database when you first install in xampp is nothing. Yeah, not very safe, isn't it? So click on, just hit enter. Yay, you are in. So the first thing you want to do after you get into a database as a super user is to create another super user username and password. Okay, just in case you mess up certain things, you can still get in. So I want to create a user called Harry, and I want to use password elbow monkey. Okay, and I'm going to create him as a super user so he can do most of the stuff root can do. So you don't want to touch the root, and just in case you mess up, you always have the root to fall back on. The worst thing you have in the database is you only have one super user. Okay, so let's create this super user. The syntax is here. Grant all the privileges on everything to Harry. Password is elbow monkey. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so you have created a super user called Harry. and the password is elbow monkey. So if you get out now and try to go in again, and if you use password elbow monkey, you are in. Okay. Alright, I think it's a good place to stop this video. In the next video, we are going to type some simple SQL commands in the shell. Okay. Let me exit first. Thanks for watching.